Good morning, students. Today I am here with you for describing another process in the chapter stuffing. In the previous class, I think you got stuffing process. It was explained a lot. And in that process, if you can recollect, you will see, or you can see that selection this is given in the third stage of stuffing process. Now selection is also a process. If you want, you can say selection is a sub-process of one wide process, that is stuffing. But in the exam, you will have to prepare the stuffing process as well as selection process also. So today I am going to explain the process of selection. And again, that statutory information for you. Think yourself, you are the human resource manager of one standard organization. Now you are going to start selection procedure for fulfilling the different job position in the given organizational structure. You are going to depute right person for the right chair. So you will have to select, and what are the process generally should be followed by you, that is given here. Now first one, it is written, you see, preliminary screening. What is preliminary screening? Eliminating the candidates who are not fulfilling the elementary criteria for getting the job. What is elementary criteria? Maybe the one certain percentage of marks in class 12 in graduation, or certain level of academic qualification. So preliminary screening, that is the first step of stuffing process. So after eliminating the candidates who are not fulfilling the elementary criteria for getting the particular job, then you will have to start, or you will have to take selection test, that is second step of selection process. Here you will have to eliminate the candidates who are not fit for particular job position, and different types of selection test you may take, that may be written test, personality test, trade test, interest test. It was explained in stuffing process also. So after selection test, after eliminating the candidates who are not eligible for, who are not suitable for the particular job position, then you will have to take third step, that is employment interview. Basically, this is the stage followed by human resource manager after written test and this interview is very much vital for choosing the candidate before checking reference and background. So interview is very much important for selecting the candidates. The personality behavior of the candidates is judged here. So after interview, the checking references and background, that is fourth step. It is very much followed in different standard organization like TCS, like Wipro, like Infosys. These are the blue chip identities of corporate world. They used to follow these steps in the process of selection, that is checking references and backgrounds of the candidates from the person who is the candidate is very much known to that person for the last 5 to 10 years. That is, you know it very well. If you want to open one bank account in any nationalized bank, the two persons must be there who is going to introduce, and at the time of filling the form, the name of introducer and their bank account number is required to be given along with the application form of the new account holder. In the same way, the references and background, it is very much for knowing the suitable character of the candidates. This step is very much vital. Now after clearing this, the fifth step, that is ultimately in this step the selection is taken or selection is made, or as a manager you are going to select, you will have to select, that is selection decision is taken. You will have to select the most suitable candidates for the particular job position. Then after selection of decision, the job is now over for you. Then next stage, that is medical examination. That is, you can say, eliminating the candidates who are not medically fit. That is, you will have to see whether the candidates chosen or they are or he or she is medically fit or not. So medical examination is very much required. And if candidate is medically fit, then the job offer, that is seventh step, job offer, that is 7 steps, that is as an employer, you will have to offer the job to that particular candidate who has selected and who has passed medical examination. And after offering the job, if acceptance is made from the part of the would-be employee, then employment contract is, or that is agreement, is going to be made between the employer and employee, where terms and conditions for doing the job from the part of the employer and as well as salary or different types of service rules are written or settled in that contract or agreement. In this way, the entire selection process is followed by the human resource manager. So again I am telling, so this is the last stage, that is 8th stage. If you get broad question in term 2, so you may get it. You may get the case study based questions also. Again, I am telling the first stage preliminary screening, second one selection test, third one employment interview, fourth one checking references and background, fifth selection decision, sixth medical examination, seventh job offer, and last employment contract. Okay, so I think you got it. Please go through this, read your books. I think you can understand. Thank you.